The CM of Maharashtra will also be decided. Back to studio.
Anand is also joining us from outside Eknath Shinde's house. Anand, obviously another disappointment for the Congress party, and this is obviously a wake-up call at a number of levels. Not only for the Congress party but all the allies in Maharashtra, which completely missed out on the kind of progress that the NDA with its allies was making in Maharashtra right under their noses.
Yeah, when you look, definitely the Congress has to suffer a major dent in Maharashtra, as in fact, if we talk about 2014 Narendra Modi wave across the country, at that time also during the assembly polls, Congress was able to get around 42 seats in Maharashtra. And even in 2019, when after the Pulwama terror attack, when the air strike was carried out by India in Pakistan, then also the Congress managed to win 44 seats in Maharashtra. But this time, despite contesting on 101 seats as partner of the Mahavikas Aghadi Alliance, the Congress hardly is getting to manage to get more than 19 seats. So if we talk about the Congress performance and the strike rate, then it's less than 19% in Maharashtra. And the pulse of the mood of the state and the mood of the people of the state, the Mahavikas Aghadi Alliance members, they definitely failed to gauge it, as they were clearly unable to understand that how the Ladki Behan scheme that was brought by the UT government here in Maharashtra, led by Eknath Shinde, the chief minister over here, and the BJP and other NDA alliance partners over there. So they completely failed to understand that what were the issues that they could not understand in Maharashtra. And even when the Congress promised to bring the caste-based census and other promises like Mahalakshmi scheme in the state, it didn't gel with the people, resonate with the people of the state here in Maharashtra. And as of now, as we are standing at CM Eknath Shinde's residence over here, you can see the jovial mood of the workers, party workers over here, as the message is very clear that Shiv Sena, led by Eknath Shinde, has emerged as the legitimate Sena party. The legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray over here has been given to Eknath Shinde-led faction of the Shiv Sena. And just now, just a few moments ago, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis arrived at the residence of Eknath Shinde, and even Ajit Pawar has also arrived over here. Very shortly, after some time, the Chief Minister will be holding a press conference over here, and they will talk about that how they brought the state on the path of development and how they were bringing the pro-poor people, pro-people schemes in Maharashtra that worked, that resonated with the voters here in Maharashtra, as a huge number of women were seen voting this time in Maharashtra, and this definitely gave a clear edge to the Mahayuti in this crucial battle of Maharashtra. Back to you, Vinay.